do 5 lines for just $20 per month per line.
Yeah! Oh! Oh!
What job? Job?
On a sofa, everybody wants to see Notre Dame restored.
And Emmanuel Macron, the president, is saying he wants to do it in 5 years. And Joseph Henry Quistarton, thanks so much.
Always.
Oh, shit. You good, fam?
He'll definitely do lizard for this one.
Oh, he's just. Oh.
You want some yogurt?
A generally reckless, tactical approach by this administration to adhere to the president's political objectives.
Congressman Betty Thompson, who chairs the House Homeland Security Committee, added, taking officers off planes and out of airports will not make the country safer.
According to the TSA, less than 1% of the workforce will be asked to support the ongoing efforts at the border. And again, no screen